Hey guys, it's Tony. I just wanted to show you guys the most anticipated earnings that are going to be this week. I don't think I'm actually going to play any of these earnings. Maybe Palantir and CVS, but apart from that, I think I'm just going to sit back and watch this week, and I'm not really going to play anything. For Monday, I don't really know any of these companies. For Tuesday, obviously Palantir or Palantir, however you guys want to pronounce it. Ring Central, I know of. CVS. I think that's it as far as the ones that I know. Shopify obviously I think is going to kill it. I think Shopify, Wix, they're going to do absolutely phenomenal. I think Tilray is going to do super low. I don't think they're going to do anything like fantastic apart from them running up on the whole weed thing, whatever. I actually don't like any weed stocks right now just because it's all running up on hype, and that's why they crashed like crazy. I do think Samuel Adams is going to absolutely kill earnings because everybody's been just drinking this whole quarantine, right? Like, I think that's going to be the case. I think Roku, again, I think Roku's going to kill it. I think Walmart's going to kill it. Waste management always kills it. WM is the most consistent stock to go up over the last like 50 years or something, right? I always vouch for WM because I think waste management, it's never going to go away. People are always going to be taking shits, and there's always going to be someone there to like clean it up or your trash or things like that, right? It's always gonna happen. Like there's always gonna be trash, and there's always gonna be someone that needs to pick it up. So 100%, I think that's gonna be like a crazy big case of what's it called of waste management being like a super awesome long term. The one I am looking forward to is BigCommerce on Thursday, which I hold. I think you guys know that I hold about a 40K position, which I'm just kind of waiting to see what happens on Thursday to determine if I'm going to keep holding or not. But we'll go from there. And then Friday we got John Deere, MoneyGram. I do think MoneyGram's going to do really well. And I think that's kind of it, really. I do think John Deere's going to do really well just because a lot of people have been going to Home Depot. So I'm assuming that all that money is going to transfer to John Deere. But these are going to be the most anticipated earnings for this week. If you guys are going to play any of these, let me know. Sorry, I'm like burping a little bit, but if you guys are going to play any of these, let me know. Let me know what calls. Let me know if you guys are going to swing trade, if you're buying shares, if you're buying options, puts, whatever. Let me know what your guys' plays are, right? I'll see you guys later. Have a good weekend.